Hello guys and girls, this is Jenny from BT Hair Vietnam, the human hair supplier in Vietnam. After a long time selling hair to all over the world, every day I got many messages that require to show photo and video of our products. So now I decided to make this video series so you can see and know more about me or our hairs. In this video today, I'm gonna show you one popular item we made and sell every day many. It's 13 by 4 frontal. This can go with about 3 bundles of matching hair to make a wig. This frontal we use just hair to make. As you can see, this is a very beautiful and high quality hair with no chemical or process before. Besides this hair, we also make frontal with wavy hair, curly and color hair. Our workers who are very well trained and experienced with this frontal carefully. You will not have any trouble in seeding or tangling hair when using this. If you need any type of these frontal closures or wig, you can contact me via WhatsApp number which I note in the video. Hope you like this video. Thank you for watching and remember to subscribe my channel to get more video. Thank you. Bye bye.